the world of automobiles, the Mazda CX-9 2023 stands as a testament to the perfect blend of performance and elegance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement that Mazda has once again raised the bar, delivering a vehicle that not only looks incredible, but performs exceptionally. Imagine a beast, tamed and refined, resting under the hood of the Mazda CX-9. That's the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, a powerhouse that promises exhilarating speed and impressive power. But this is no ordinary beast. This is a creature that has been carefully crafted, meticulously engineered to balance raw power with remarkable efficiency. The Mazda CX-9 2023 doesn't just move, it purrs, it roars, it sings. Every push of the pedal, every turn of the wheel feels like a symphony of power, a dance of mechanical prowess. The engine, the heart of this magnificent beast, beats with a rhythm that is both robust and precise. But what's an engine without speed? The Mazda CX-9 2023 is no slouch in this department. With the ability to reach impressive speeds, it's a vehicle that embraces the open road, that thrills in the chase, that loves the journey as much as the destination. Yet despite its power and speed, this engine doesn't compromise on efficiency. Mazda has brilliantly balanced these two aspects, creating an engine that is both powerful and economical. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey, about feeling the power beneath you, about knowing that you're in control of a machine that has been built to perform. This is what the Mazda CX-9 2023 brings to the table. A vehicle that doesn't just promise performance, but delivers it in spades. A vehicle that isn't just about getting you where you need to go, but about making the journey as enjoyable, as thrilling as possible. The Mazda CX-9 2023 doesn't just drive, it zooms, setting new standards for speed and power. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is not just about the drive, it's about the experience, and the panoramic windows play an essential role in that. Imagine driving down an open road, the world stretching out before you, visible in all its glory thanks to the expansive windows of the Mazda CX-9. These aren't just any ordinary windows. They are panoramic, offering an unrivaled view of the outside world, making every drive an immersive journey. The front windshield is large and wide, allowing the driver to have a clear, unobstructed view of what lies ahead. This is not just a design element, but a safety feature as well. The better the view of the road, the safer the drive. Moving on to the side windows, you'll note their generous size. They are designed to provide passengers with a broad, clear view of the surroundings, enhancing the overall traveling experience. Whether you're driving through a bustling city or along a scenic country road, these windows ensure that no sight goes unseen. The rear windows follow suit, maintaining the same expansive view. This is particularly beneficial for those seated in the back, keeping them engaged in the journey. For the little ones, this can turn a mundane car ride into an exciting adventure as they watch the world pass by. But it's not just about the view. These windows also contribute to the car's sleek and modern design. They give the Mazda CX-9 a distinctive look, setting it apart from the crowd. As the sunlight hits the car, it reflects off the windows, accentuating the car's elegant lines and curves. And let's not forget about the moonroof. It's like having a window to the sky, perfect for stargazing on clear nights or enjoying a bit of sunshine during the day. It adds an element of luxury and sophistication to the vehicle, amplifying the overall driving experience. With the Mazda CX-9 2023, it's not just about reaching the destination, but also enjoying the journey. So buckle up, roll down the windows, and let the world in. After all, the world looks better from the windows of a Mazda CX-9. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is more than a car. It's a piece of art on wheels. Let's delve into the sleek and stunning design of the Mazda CX-9 2023. With its aerodynamic build, it's not just a sight to behold, but it's also a force to be reckoned with on the road. Every curve, every line, every angle is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum efficiency and speed. The bold, confident exterior with its signature Kodo design exudes a sense of motion even when standing still. The Mazda CX-9 2023 doesn't just look good on the outside, it's a beauty on the inside too. Step into a world of luxury with its spacious and comfortable interior. The cabin is dressed in premium materials with fine stitching details that elevate your driving experience. The 3-row seating arrangement is designed with ample space, ensuring comfort for all passengers. And the driver-centric cockpit puts everything within easy reach, making driving a breeze. But the Mazda CX-9 2023 is not just about looks, it's about performance too. Underneath the hood, you'll find a powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive horsepower, giving you the power and performance you need to conquer any road. The Skyactiv technology ensures a smooth and responsive drive, making every journey a joyride. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is meticulously crafted in Hiroshima, Japan, where Mazda's commitment to design excellence and innovation is evident in every aspect of the car. This latest model is a clear testament to Mazda's continuous efforts to push the boundaries of automotive design and technology. This is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a declaration of style and performance. It's a testament to the art of car making. It's a symbol of Mazda's relentless pursuit of perfection. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is a testament to Mazda's commitment to design excellence and innovation. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is the latest in a lineage of excellence that has its roots in Hiroshima, Japan. Born in the land of the rising sun, Mazda's story begins in the early 20th century. The company's journey has been one of continuous evolution, pushing the boundaries of innovation and setting new standards for the automobile industry. Imagine this, it's 1920, and a cork company in Hiroshima decides to venture into the world of automobiles. That's Mazda's humble beginnings for you. Over the years, Mazda has become synonymous with resilience, innovation, and of course, exhilarating driving experiences. From the first Mazda Go, a 3-wheeled truck launched in 1931, right up to the sophisticated Mazda CX-9 2023. The company's focus has remained steadfast. They've always aimed to create cars that ignite the joy of driving, cars that make you feel alive. But let's shift gears and focus on the star of the show, the Mazda CX-9 2023. This vehicle represents the apex of Mazda's evolution. It's a car that has been meticulously designed to strike the perfect balance between comfort, performance, and aesthetics. It's a testament to Mazda's unwavering commitment to creating automobiles that go beyond mere transportation tools. They're companions on the road. They're an extension of who you are. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is powered by a 2.5-liter engine that delivers a thrilling drive. It's a machine that breathes life into every journey. The design, too, speaks volumes about Mazda's attention to detail. The wheels, for instance, are not just about functionality. They're a design element that enhances the overall appeal of the car. And while we're on the subject of design, let's not forget where this car was manufactured. Hiroshima, Japan, a city that has been at the forefront of Mazda's evolution. And with the 2023 CX-9, Mazda continues to hold the flag high for Hiroshima, for Japan, and for car enthusiasts worldwide. The Mazda CX-9 2023 carries the legacy of Mazda's commitment to excellence, setting new benchmarks in the automobile industry. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is more than just a car. It's a powerful, elegant, and innovative machine. So let's dive right into the heart of this automotive marvel. Beneath the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G turbocharged engine. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 250 horsepower, offering dynamic performance and an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Mazda CX-9 commands the road with ease. But power isn't everything. The 2023 Mazda CX-9 is also a masterclass in design. Its bold and distinctive exterior is a testament to Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, which is all about creating cars that embody the dynamic beauty of life. The sleek lines and sculpted body of the CX-9 are more than aesthetically pleasing. They also enhance aerodynamics, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. One of the most striking features of the Mazda CX-9 is its panoramic windows. These expansive windows not only provide an immersive view of the world outside, but they also flood the interior with natural light, creating a spacious and airy atmosphere. The windows are also designed to minimize noise and vibration, providing a serene and peaceful driving environment. The heritage of Mazda is deeply woven into the fabric of the CX-9. This car is a product of Mazda's long history of innovation and commitment to creating vehicles that excite and inspire. The Mazda CX-9 is manufactured in Hiroshima, Japan, a city known for its dedication to craftsmanship and quality. The 2023 model builds upon the legacy of its predecessors, offering refined features and enhanced performance that make this SUV a standout in its class. The Mazda CX-9 2023 is not just a car, it's an experience. An experience of power, elegance, and innovation. So why just drive when you can truly live? The Mazda CX-9 2023 invites you to do just that.